Chapter 2, Part A. There were two friends sitting, and one of them's just wife just passed away recently, and the guy was so sad. And the other friend asked him, "You're so sad, and your condition is like a madman. Why don't you get second marriage?" And then he said, "No doubt, my wife passed away. I am too sad, too mad, but I am not as mad that I get a second marriage." ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਦੋ ਬੰਦੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੀ ਵਾਈਫ ਦਾ ਹਜੇ ਰੀਸੈਂਟਲੀ ਕਾਲ ਚਲਾਣਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਹਾਲਤ ਪਾਗਲਾਂ ਵਰਗੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ, ਬਾਹਲਾ ਉਦਾਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਭਲਿਆ ਮਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੂੰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਰ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਾਂ ਦੁੱਖ ਸਹਾਰਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਤੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਾਗਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਲਤ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈ, ਤੂੰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਰ ਦੂਜਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਕਰ ਲੈ। ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਮੈਂ ਹਜੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਾਗਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ। Question number 1. Which of the following is not a real estate transaction under the Real Estate Act? So we have to find false. So real estate transaction, what do the realtor do? When you become a realtor, number one, you sell homes, sell properties, condominiums, anything that's related to real estate. You can manage, you can even rent the properties, and you can sell the good mortgage rates even with the property. But you can't build a home. Being a builder, you can, but this is not the job. This is not the job description of a realtor. So number one, constructing a commercial office building in Prince George for an owner who lives in BC, that's false. Collecting rent is true. Pentecton property for a mortgagee who lives in Victoria, so you can sell a property in another town even for a lender who lives in Victoria. Assisting in the sale of a condominium unit located in Vancouver owned by a person who lives in Calgary. So you can sell any property anywhere in BC with a license in BC. So it's number one. So we go to question number 19. In addition to carrying out the function of a real estate salesperson, a validly licensed salesperson is entitled to. Being a realtor, not only you can sell the real estate, but if you get also the general insurance license or the life insurance license, if you get a license, you can sell those insurances too. So the answer is 2. Become licensed to sell real property insurance to a purchaser of real estate. It means you get a license for the general insurance, and then you can do the home insurance and car insurance. So answer is 2. And then we can go to question number 20th. Question number 21. A real estate transaction under the Real Estate Act includes, as I told you before, sale of a residential or commercial, sale of a good mortgage rate, the sale of the goodwill of a business. So all of the above. Number 4. So basically in real estate, so you can sell the properties, you can rent the homes, and you can sell the goodwill like goodwill of a McDonald's or Fruticana or Pizza Hut, and the sale of a mortgage. Sometimes the property has a good mortgage rate, you can sell along with that. So it's number 4. And then we go to the question number 2, and that question is very important. Let's go to the Real Estate Act Part 2. So Real Estate Act 2, so you need to remember two things. Number 1 is not complied and other one is complied. So basically complied means follow and not complied means not follow. So we are talking about not complied. If you buy a property which is subdivided land located outside BC or a timeshare interest located outside BC, so then you can rescind or you can cancel that contract within 1 year. If the Real Estate Part 2 Act is not complied, so then if you buy a lot or buy a property, you can rescind within 1 year if it's located outside. Same thing is for timeshare. And then if the Part 2 Act is been complied means has been followed. In that situations, if the subdivided land located inside BC. If it's located inside BC, then you can rescind me and cancel the contract within 3 days. But in case of a timeshare, whether it's inside or outside, you can cancel or rescind within 7 days. So two things to remember. If not complied outside BC, then it's 1 year. If it's complied inside BC, then for the subdivided land 3 days, but for timeshare 7 days. That we need to remember. So we go to question number 2. Yeah, where a vendor is selling subdivided land situated in BC. They're saying here in BC and he has complied. It means complied, and in BC means 3 days. So the answer is number 1, within 3 days.